Now today I am going to explain you lesson number 8, A Great Leader. It's about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Means he was one of the most named, famous, popular leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Most of the leaders have wars and they hurt others, fight with others and become leader. But this is the speciality of Mahatma Gandhi, that he won hearts of the people by non-violence. So in this lesson we are going to learn about his qualities. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. As I said earlier, Mahatma Gandhi was the follower of non-violence. He did not like violence at all. So he never used any arms and weapons like guns, rifles and bombs. And yet he won the war of India's independence. And without these weapons, he won the war of India's independence by his weapon of non-violence. People lovingly called him Bapu. What did people call him? Bapu or Bapuji, means father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. And we are going to learn how was Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Iron will means मजबूत इरादों वाला आदमी, जो डिसाइड करते हैं वो कर ही रहते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को कहते हैं द मैन ऑफ आयरन विल. विल मीन्स विश और इच्छा. इफ ही डिसाइडेड टू डू समथिंग, ही डिड इट. इफ गांधीजी हैज डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस थिंग, he will do it at all. He will never miss it. It means that he decided to do something, he will do it, no matter how difficult it was. He never thought how difficult the task is. Once he decided, he did it. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. What did he think? One day he decided to have an early morning prayer every day. From that day, every day he used to go to prayer, walking. So from that day he never missed any prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Now in this paragraph, in coming paragraph, we will learn how he came for the choice of wearing loincloth dhoti. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth. Everyone says it is not good to tell lie. So it is true that speaking truth will always make you a good person. So Gandhiji also gave importance to truth. Simplicity. Simplicity is very important in our life. The simple living will make us prosperous. And non-violence means not fighting with others, not hurting others, not making others annoyed by anything. That is not hurting others. Non-violence means not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was simple. Now we will come to know what did Gandhiji used to dress. Just a loin cloth. A dhoti worn above the knees. We will show you the picture of Gandhiji wearing dhoti. And sometimes a shawl. In winter or rainy season, he used to wear shawls, or when he used to go outside, he used to wear shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? There is a question. Could he not afford, cannot buy or cannot have fancy fashionable clothes? He was from a rich Gujarati family, so he can afford fancy fashionable clothes. So why did he used to wear dhoti? This will be the question in your minds, children. So in coming paragraph we will learn why did he used dhoti as his dress. Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. जानबूझ के पहनते थे. How did he come to make this choice? What made him to wear dhoti? What was the reason behind wearing so less clothes and so cheap clothes? Cheap means saste, not cheap. This is the important paragraph. In this paragraph we will come to know why did he wear dhoti. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from the public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. As you all know, Gandhiji was a freedom fighter. So he has to give speeches to awake the people for fighting for their rights for freedom. So he has to give many lectures in every city, everywhere he has to go. So once he was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in a large number to listen to him. Wherever he went, there were men and women gathered in large number to listen to him. But in Odisha, the matter was different. Let us see what happened. However, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. What did Gandhiji saw? He saw that there are no women in these lectures. Only the men are attending the lectures and public meetings. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. On making inquiries, he asked question to their people there. Why did only men are attending and not women? So after making inquiries, after asking other people, what he got? He found that people in that part of the country were very, very poor. So poor means very poor. That their women folk means their women had not a decent thing, good clothes to wear for public meetings or gatherings. So they have to stay at home whenever there are functions or public meetings or lectures. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. As I said earlier, they have to stay at home because they don't have good clothes to wear. Gandhiji was deeply pained. Gandhiji was stunned. Gandhiji felt very bad. Deeply pained means he felt very bad to hear that they have no decent clothes to wear. From that day, Gandhiji decided to wear bare minimum clothes, be it cold or hot. In every season, cold means in winter, hot means in summer. In every season, he decided to wear bare minimum means minimum clothes, less clothes. In winter or in summer, he never changed his simple dress. Now in this paragraph we will think what was the thought behind wearing less clothes or cheap clothes. Why did Gandhiji wore this kind of dress? Gandhiji had so many followers all over India and abroad. So he thought that if he will wear minimum clothes, it will save the money of our country and the other people will also follow him. So this was in his mind. So this is the reason behind wearing less clothes. He was rich man, but owing to the condition of our country, that our country was very poor, so this will save money, and of this money they will give alms to the people and our country will be rich. This was the thought behind wearing less clothes.